Good afternoon, you are welcomed by Citadel Watch. The Ulysse Nardin Locle watch is a true masterpiece in the world of time. With its stainless steel case measuring 46 millimeters, it captures the eye with its sophistication. The tempered glass provides reliable protection for the dial, which, by the way, is in excellent condition. This watch was designed for men who appreciate not only functionality but also style. The elephant leather bracelet adds uniqueness and comfort while being brand new, giving the watch a fresh look. Inside hides a mechanical movement with a power reserve of 36 hours. The Ulysse Nardin Locle watch has been used before, but it has no damage, emphasizing its high quality and durability. The lack of water resistance may be a slight compromise, but in this case the style and elegance are clearly outweighed. These watches provide reliable timekeeping, offering functions of hours, minutes, and seconds. Manufactured in Switzerland, they bear the stamp of the highest quality and craftsmanship. All in all, the Ulysse Nardin Locle is not just a watch, but a true accessory of style and luxury. Good shopping and have a great day.